Hey there, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today we have two drones with cameras that we'll be comparing: the RADCLO Mini Drone with camera and the CuteAnt Drones. Let's dive right into it and see which one comes out on top in various categories. When it comes to drones with cameras, the quality of the footage is crucial. The RADCLO Mini Drone boasts a 1080p HD 90 degrees manually adjustable lens, providing a wider, breathtaking field of view. You can enjoy 1080p HD pictures and videos via the RADCLO FPV app and share them easily on your social media. On the other hand, the CuteAnt drones also come with a 1080p HD camera that allows you to manually adjust the lens up and down to capture amazing views. You can also enjoy FPV mode on the app and share fun moments with friends and family. Verdict: both drones offer impressive camera quality, but the RADCLO Mini Drone takes the lead with its wider field of view. Flying a drone can be challenging, especially for beginners. That's why flight stability is essential. The RADCLO Mini Drone comes equipped with stable altitude hold function, ensuring a more stable hover and easier control while flying. It also has a powerful engine for improved stability. Similarly, the CuteAnt drones feature altitude hold mode and one-touch takeoff landing button, making it perfect for beginners. This drone also includes 4 propeller guards and 8 spare propeller blades for added safety. Verdict: both drones excel in flight stability, but the RADCLO Mini Drone's powerful engine gives it a slight edge. Battery life plays a significant role in how long you can enjoy flying your drone. The RADCLO Mini Drone comes with 2PC's 800 mAh batteries, allowing it to last for an impressive 22 minutes of flight time. It also includes controller batteries, propeller guard, and spare fan blades. On the other hand, the CuteAnt drones provide a total of 30 minutes of flying fun with its 2 rechargeable batteries. It also comes with a carrying case, ensuring you can take it anywhere. Verdict: the CuteAnt drones take the lead in battery life, offering an extra 8 minutes of flight time compared to the RADCLO Mini Drone. Now let's talk about the additional features that make these drones stand out. The RADCLO Mini Drone offers high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, headless mode, and 3D flip. It also includes low battery warning and emergency stop functions, catering to both beginners and skilled players. Similarly, the CuteAnt drones come with fun features like 360 degrees flip, circle flight, trajectory flight, and 3-speed modes. You can even draw a path on the app screen, and the drone will fly along it. Verdict: both drones offer a range of exciting features, making it a tie in this category. After comparing the RADCLO Mini Drone with camera and the CuteAnt drones, we can see that each drone has its own strengths. The RADCLO Mini Drone shines in camera quality and flight stability, while the CuteAnt drones excel in battery life. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your specific needs and preferences. And there you have it, folks. Remember to check out the links in the description below to find more information about these drones and make your purchase. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Buy Smart for more product comparisons. Until next time, happy flying.